Make a great choice today with the 2018 Elantra. The Elantra boasts the most interior room in its class and gets an exceptional 35 miles per gallon. With its luxurious standard features, the Elantra is an easy choice and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: panoramic sunroof, electronic stability control, brake assist, four-wheel disc brakes, heated front seats, low tire pressure warning, tachometer, driver vanity mirror, leather shift knob, leather-wrapped steering wheel. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.